Hi, I'm Sandy Schreck for LBR Educates, and today we're going to be looking at a creative centerpiece that's going to be using this armature that we're going to create from the Rustic Wire. I'm going to use it on a cylinder vase. You can use it on any style, but it's going to allow us to put those flower placement around the rim of the container with a void in the middle so that you create an interesting composition. So let's just take a look. The Rustic Wire comes in 3 colors, in the green, the brown, and today we're going to use the natural, which is more of a muted tone. And what I'm going to do is start off with, we're going to use my fingers to be able to create this armature. So I'm going to do a simple finger weave. This is something that can be done with any type of wire, so aluminum wire. What I do is go around there, so I'll space down and come on my finger and just spin it around, go a little bit further again, and we spin it around. So I just keep coming around my index fingers. Lots of times I will go back and forth so it goes one direction and then the other direction, but just kind of a random placement. So you're going to do that really quickly, not worry about exact spacing, and just come in. And you can always flip them over the other direction. If you want some little tighter spots, you can just pull it together. So then to construct it, you just start bringing it together. Okay, to start off with, we're going to be putting in our floral materials, and what we're going to be doing is doing an insertion sideways. And here you can see that I'm going to cut my stems long enough, so rather than straight up and down where they're highly likely to fall out, we're going to use the flower insertions in a spiral pattern, and those stems will hold each other in, so that we can do more of a flowing design that will come out over the edge of the container. So here's our completed centerpiece, and you can just see the selection of tantalizing textures that really draw you into the design. Some of the cosmos and dianthus dancing right over the top, the layers of material that continue that spiral pattern. So that's going to be integral in this armature for the mechanic to really help hold each other's flowers in. And so I hope we inspired you to be able to try this design and use some of those different wires to really create an armature for any style container and utilize that negative space in the middle that you can able to place your flowers profitably. I'm Sandy Schreck for LBR Educates, and this has been our centerpiece with the rim design kind of focusing on textures. If you enjoyed this video, make sure and give it a like, share it, and maybe give us some comments of things you'd like to see in the future. We appreciate your support, and I hope I inspired you to make some fabulous florals. If you enjoyed some of these techniques, maybe take a look at our stem insertion videos. We talk about different mechanics and the importance of stem insertions with the lasting quality of your flowers, leading to ultimate customer satisfaction.